Okay, lift it up, 2 hands. All the way up. There you go. So, where's the oil dipstick?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Now look at it. Pull it. Wipe it.
Yes, you grab the paper towels and wipes it.
So wipe it all off. All off. Now put it back in. Okay, now we'll pull it out.
That's oil.
Pull, no, yeah, pull it back now. Out. Now we check it. Okay, now hold it up. Don't wipe it. Hold it up.
Yep.
So right now, it is in the middle there. Is that good or bad?
Good.
Perfect. Wipe it, put it back.
Now where is home?
Clicked? Perfect.
Yep.
All right, was that easy or hard?
Easy.
Hey Marcus, how do you add windshield washer fluid to a car?
You grab it, open it. Go.
And it's full.
Uh-huh.
Cover it back up.
Can I close it?
Yeah, close it.
There you go.
That was clean.
All set. Easy or hard?